Using a Visa debit gift card is a straightforward process that allows you to make purchases online or in store wherever Visa is accepted. To begin, make sure you have received your gift card and it has been activated by the issuer. The first step is to check the balance on your gift card, which can usually be done by visiting the website listed on the back of the card or by calling the customer service number provided. Knowing your balance will help you plan your purchases and avoid declined transactions. When you are ready to make a purchase, you can use your Visa debit gift card in store by swiping the card or inserting the chip, then entering the PIN if required. You can also use it online by entering the card number, expiration date, and security code when prompted. For online transactions, some merchants may require you to register your gift card by providing the card number, name, and address. This is a security measure to verify your identity and prevent unauthorized use. Another way to use your Visa debit gift card is at ATMs to withdraw cash. Although this may incur a fee, be aware that some ATMs may have daily withdrawal limits. So it is essential to check the terms and conditions of your gift card before attempting to withdraw cash. To get the most out of your gift card, consider using it for everyday purchases such as groceries, gas, or dining out. You can also use it to make online purchases from your favorite retailers or to pay for services like streaming subscriptions or software downloads. As a best practice, make sure to keep track of your gift card balance and transaction history to avoid overspending or missing any potential issues with your account. Additionally, keep your gift card safe and secure by storing it in a protected place and not sharing your card information with anyone. In case your gift card is lost, stolen, or damaged, contact the customer service number immediately to report the issue and request a replacement card. Most issuers will replace a lost or stolen gift card, but you may need to provide proof of purchase or other identification. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy using your Visa debit gift card with confidence and convenience, making purchases and managing your balance with ease.